Right, guys, nice, simple and easy project for you. Now, what I've been trying to figure out is a project for you to, like a flat pack project that you can easily pack up and sell on, minimal postage, easier for the consumer to put up, just a couple of screws into a wall to put up, and that is it. But not built, easy to assemble, and I think I've come up with something. So watch to the end, you'll see what I've done. So I'm just designing the process here. I know it's not going to go to sort of plan. As I'm going on, I'm going to have to sort of like do a few workarounds maybe. So I've got this piece of 6x1 here. And I'm just marking it out. And all the project is this 6x1 and some beech dowel. So I've got sort of two planks there. This plank, they look bigger than they actually are. Now, when they come down, I just cut them in half for storage. So it's just like one plank of 6x1. So I'm just making like a temporary sort of jig for my circular saw. First time I made one here. It's just something, I'm going to make a better one. It's just that I just wanted to try something. Just nice and easy, just putting something together. And this is what you've got to do in woodworking sometimes. You know, like you need something like a quick jig, and this is something I want to sort of learn, like, you know, the workarounds on things and the jig making. I see some really good woodworkers and they'll make jigs to do a specific task, and it amazes me at just the creativity in that alone. So this is something I want to bring into my woodworking, part of the skill and the development I want to do as well. So as you can see, I'm just using it there. I know it looks like it's the wrong way around. It's my saw's blade is on this side, so I'm going to have to make the jig the other way around the next jig I make. But for this, for what I needed, it worked fine. I'm super impressed with that Freud blade I put in there as well. It made a big difference to the cutting. Now, this is a tool I'm just getting used to. It's a new tool for me, this circular saw. So I'm just getting used to it. I'm just being super careful. As you can see, I'm a bit sort of nervous using it there. I'm just sort of like making sure my hands are well out the way, even though they look close. They're actually not that close, and I'm being super careful. So I'm just marking out. Yeah, I'm always fascinated with like some of these. I don't know if you guys in the States get it, in Canada, IKEA, but we've got IKEAs over here, flat pack furniture, and it's like an absolute nightmare, some of it, to put together. You know, you need a sort of like PhD degree in, you know, just looking at the instructions. So this project was all about something really, really simple for people. When they get it, they can put it up. Super stylish. It's got a Scandinavian sort of vibe to it, so that plays into that sort of element of it. And it's versatile. Loads of uses. So I'm just ripping these boards down at 7 centimetres here. Let me know what you guys have all been up to making this week. I'd be pleased to know. What I will do is, up on the screen, I will put my email address, and if you want to send me pictures of stuff you're making, I will put one or two up on the videos just to let people know who they are. And just your name, and you know, like a picture of what you're making, and I'll put them up on the videos, and let's see how we go with it. The camera angles make everything look massive. So again, I'm just marking out here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just testing for the dowel, just to make sure, you know, because the dowels don't come what they say they are. And I'm just making sure I get sort of cross my T's and dot my I's, so to speak. You could use any size dowel for this, but, you know, I want it quite a chunky dowel here. I'll put in the size of the dowel I've used in the description below. And the dowel's beech, so it goes really well with the pine. It's a super strong wood as well, so that was another element why I wanted to use the beech dowels. So I'm just going over to my sled now, and I'm just going to cut them down to size. I really could just get a flipstock bunter and just do it. Like the yellow ear protectors. I tell you what, I don't know why I don't wear them all the time, because they do, I should wear them all the time because they do massively help. So if you see me in my videos, comment ear protectors, get it. I need to get it into my head that I need to constantly have my ear protectors on when I'm using table saw. So I'm just marking out again. And this project, I was making it, and it's another project again. I was making it, and somebody's seen it, and they have claimed it. So that's good. You know what I've got for it money-wise. You know, I don't make sort of money on my projects, but it goes into my little pot to buy more wood to do more projects for the YouTube videos. But what in materials cost-wise with this project, I don't know. There's got to be sort of like less than sort of 10 UK pounds. What's that? 13, 14 US dollars, maybe something like that. And you could easily sell these for £50, $60, maybe more where you are. But I wouldn't go any less than that. So if you want to sort of sell these, customised sizes, you can stain them, paint them, all that kind of stuff. You know, it's endless, really. You know, some nice sort of like colours for the seasons, all that kind of stuff. So this is an unnecessary step, what I'm doing here. I mean, this would be something you don't really need to do. It's just that something I'm doing as part of the video anyway, and it's just something, you know, if I was to sell these, I would do this step. So I'd batch these out, really. And just to let you all know as well, I'm on my diet now, so that's going well. I'm starting to lose weight again. I've been on this fasting diet from 7 p.m. of an evening, and I'm doing like 14, 15 hours of fasting, so nothing, just water and black coffee, nothing else, no sweeteners, anything like that. And the hardest part is stop eating chocolate, cakes and biscuits, all that kind of stuff, which is my downfall. So this is something that I will let people know about as well, because it's the next phase in me sort of health journey that I want to do. Get rid of flab. So I'm just taking it easy with it. It's a chamfer bit I'm using on this, and I'm just going into them holes just to tidy them up. That's another unnecessary step. It's just that you know, it just makes it cleaner looking. And what I've done is I've gone into the holes, and I'm just testing them there. They're nice and strong, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy with it. You know, I do go back. You know, I'm getting them nice and square and everything, but they just need to be deeper. So I'm just sanding everything, and like that's playing on my mind now. Like I need them holes deeper. So this is a 150 grit I'm using on this. These with just a coat of like oil over the top would be stunning. I'm just taking my time, just going over absolutely everything. Looks like slow-mo there, doesn't it? It's not, it's just, I'm just taking it nice and easy. I'm just in a little world of my own, a little zone there. It does take you somewhere, doesn't it, when you get into woodworking. And here I am now, just going back into them holes. So I'm going to go all the way through just to give it an extra bit of purchase on the back end of the dowels. Now I'm happy. So this only took me a couple of minutes just to go back over it again. Now as it's finished, like you can adjustable wall rack, you can move it up and down, sort of Scandi vibe going on there with the, you know, the sort of strip pine look. The dowels are amazing, you know, customize that, easy sell, flat pack. You know, the world, you've got it there, haven't you, really? So let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's really nice. I love it. It's minimal, simplistic, easy seller. What more do you want, really? And thank you for watching, and let's get on to the next video. Bye for now.